Hello friends, today we are going to study about charging method. Charging, I think so you all are familiar with this word. Charging is a necessity in our daily life as we are using too much electronic appliances, for example mobile phones, laptops, palm tops, etc. While battery of our mobile discharge, in that case we have to recharge it by using adapter. This type of adapter we need to charge it. Okay, now see how you are charging. So we have two type of method to charge it. First one is with physical contact and the second one is without physical contact. So as you know that with physical contact we can just utilize this pin to just we are inserting in the knob area of a mobile, and then we have to insert this plug in a socket. Okay, so and then you have to switch on. Okay, fine. So while you switch on it in a proper manner, so slowly the charging is possible. Charging means your mobile's battery or whatever, you can use a laptop also. But remember, this contact is very important. If there is no proper contact, in that case charging is not possible. Okay, so let us see how it is happen. Over here we have one example. See, before that, explain the simple method to charge any conductor by contact. Over here we have a word by contact. Okay, so for that, see, over here we have a one metallic sphere. If this metallic sphere possesses some amount of charge, remember charging means always we are depositing positive number of charges. Okay, which is mount on wooden insulated stand, means wooden stand you can consider. Another sphere, we have sphere number B. It has zero charge. You can see over here it is a zero charge. Now I would like to charge this metallic sphere B. Okay, so how it is possible? So there is a simple method. We have to just touch it. Okay, just close come together. Okay, and by touching and just putting on some time, over here what happen, little bit amount of these charges are transferring from first metal sphere to second metal sphere, as we can see in our mobile batteries. Okay, now how much amount of charges are transferred? In that case we can take a simple example. If we have a two bucket, one bucket is completely filled with water and the second bucket is completely empty, and it is if we are connecting it with pipeline. In that case what happen, so whatever water we have, that is moving towards empty bucket. Okay, but when water levels, both water levels so in both buckets are equal, in that case transferring of water from one bucket to other bucket is stopped. Okay, so similar thing happen over here also. 50-50 amount of charge is transferred. Okay, so q by 2, it means net amount of charge we have q. So over here q by 2, and on charging sphere B, q by 2 amount of charges happen. It means deposit. Okay, so 50-50 charges are deposited. Okay, so see over here we have charge q is divided in two equal parts, q by 2 and q by 2. Okay, so now separating both spheres, just separate it. So sphere B is charge. Okay, it was previously uncharged, that is electrical neutral. Okay, so this is the end of the video for charging with physical contact. Thank you.